want you to savor this moment. Take this moment in, because this is a builder reading the instructions. Hey guys, you would have read in the title, in today's episode we're going to install an attic stair. Costs about $480. There are cheaper ones, like the aluminium versions. So the reason we went to the slightly more expensive one is the customer wanted a wider tread to stand on. Because when you get the aluminium ladder style treads, they're only like that. And if you're inside your house, and maybe you've got something in the attic that you want to grab, you don't want to be in your slippers, you know, on an uncomfortable aluminium tube essentially. I'm going to admit something guys, I've never installed one of these before, so let's do it together. And I've made a mark up here in the ceiling. That mark represents the top of the ladder, and I've measured it from this wall because that is the length that we need for the ladder to fold out. Now you probably would have noticed that between my mark and the wall we have... Alright guys, so there is a bit of this old insulation to move, and you can see the two lights with a bucket on top of them for some reason. We can disconnect the light, but the pipe, which seems to be coming from the hot water cylinder, can't do much about that. I forgot to mention, I'm cutting between the trusses. These are the trusses that support the roof going this way, and any hole that I make has to be between them. I'm restricted to this sort of space here within this walk-in wardrobe. Alright, mask up. That is the wall, and I measured to there, and that just happens to be the front of the shelf. So anything we do with the stairs has to start from at least there. Listen to that rain. Good day to be inside. As long as the total length of the folded up ladder fits up here, we're good. Oh, it's looking good. We got like 1300 to the pipe, so plenty of room. Let's mark it out. Alright, ceiling lining cut. Now I just gotta tidy all that up and frame it in. Okay, so I'm using 150 by 50 machine gauge pine. The ceiling is still fixed to this truss here and this truss here. So all I'm supporting is this tiny bit of ceiling here. So this seems like overkill, but the reason I put the wider stuff in is because it's taking the weight of the stairs on this side. Plus there's going to be a little platform along here now. Once you walk up these stairs, you can stand up there, and if you need to walk that way, you can walk along here. Drill 4x6 holes in the outside of the frame. Okay, this is the moment to put up the staircase. Let's do it. You excited about being in your first episode of Scott Brown Carpentry?
Obviously. Which end's which?
That's the right end, so that comes straight to me.
Go to you.
you check that it's sitting on the cleat nice and flat and therefore flush with the ceiling. Yep. And you put 2 screws in first. There we go, Steve's on the ladder, it's working.
Haha.
Great success. You're going to be in the new video, Steve. Another successful job by Carpentry.